out another time, softer than a daydream on a summer night. Storm, darker than the night, against a long coat rested, stories from a life. And Redbird, don't get tired now, you can almost touch the light. Redbird, don't stop singing your song, fly for tomorrow tonight. I'm sorry for the lies, sorry it doesn't do. She broke her wings just trying to get through to you. But if there's only time, I'll give her some of mine. It'll take more than a phone call get her feeling fine. And Redbird, don't get tired now, you can almost touch the light. But Redbird, don't stop singing your song, fly for tomorrow. Redbird, don't get tired now, you can almost touch the light. For tomorrow tonight. How does it feel to take her from the sky? Pray her out there sleeping when it's time for a bird to fly. When it's time for a bird to fly, 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 time for a bird to fly, when it's time for a bird to fly, time for a bird to fly, when it's time for a bird to fly, time for a bird, time for a bird to fly.
When it's time for a bird to fly, when it's time, when it's time, when it's time,
for a bird to fly.
when it's time for a bird to fly, when it's time, when it's time, when it's time,
Time for a bird to fly.
when it's time for a bird to fly.
time for a bird to fly.
When it's time for a bird to fly.
Time for a bird to fly. When it's time for a bird to fly. Time for a bird. Time for a bird to fly. When it's time for a bird to fly. Time for a bird. Time for a bird to fly. When it's time for a bird to fly. Time for a bird.
Beautiful singing out there.